County, northeastern Orange County, north central Wake County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado over Sly, 8 miles northeast of Hillsborough, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. 2-inch diameter hail winds, destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour, are also likely with this storm. Locations impacted include Bahama, Durham, Gorman. This includes Interstate 85 between exits 170 and 184. This includes Interstate 540 between exits